For our next dog, we're going to have a bulldog, and we're going to use fondant instead of candies this time. So I have just a few pieces, I don't need much, and we're going to start with his face. I'm going to use a heart cutter. This is a medium cutter, and I'm just going to play with it a little bit to make it a little bit bigger than I wanted, spread it out. I might adjust this a little bit right before I put it on the cupcake, but at least it's started here. Put that to the side, cut out his eyes. And then we have just a little piece of brown, do his nose. I kind of like the little triangle heart, upside down heart shaped nose. And his eyes. Now for his eyes I used a 12. It makes it nice and easy. You can just stick them right on there. I just distorted it. I think that'll be okay. Just using the brown again. Split it in half. I'm making little triangle shapes. Take my toothpick. And I'm just indenting it, kind of rolling it to the center. Kind of gives him a little lip. And kind of squeeze it together. Alright, now we're going to frost our cupcake. I'm taking brown. I have a dark brown. You can make him whatever colors you like. And I'm going to do his nose first. I'm just going to take a little bit. It doesn't really matter what color you use, but just a little bit. I want a little bit of height to it, kind of go at an angle. Stick up a little bit, so just a little blob. And I'm taking my heart, and even if you want it, we could do like a little bit more of a dramatic mouth here. I'm going to place one side on. His little nose. And he has little teeth showing. I have a small tip. I think this is a 2. I believe it's a 2, yeah. Okay, and now we're going to put his eyes. Now we're going to do little lines, kind of like little eyebrows over his eyes, and then one big brow. And then we're going to add our little ears. And there we have our little bulldog.